Zbcn is currently trading around 0.0028. I think the market is priced in already ahead of the FOMC.
What were some of the initial challenges that you had, even trying to explain this concept to either a payroll provider or a company to say, this is possible, and how did you see the market kind of evolving there?
It takes me back a few years. Times were very different. Back in early 2022, we had raised our first 2 rounds of capital. We had the product in its very early form ready. And we said to ourselves, well, let's just hire a sales team and go sell this, right? It can't be that complicated. So we hired our sales team, some of which are still here at Zebec today, and they've done amazing work. But in those early days, it was a very difficult conversation. We first tried selling this to corporates, which was just an immediate no. Like, why would we do this? We don't have the infrastructure. What is a stable coin? And then we tried selling it to payroll companies. And payroll companies are very conservative, traditional organizations, and they pretty much build their name and reputation by not messing up a payroll. And they would never want to add complexity to what they do because they already have enough on their plate to try to get everyone processed in that 2 weeks. So we had an idea to almost leapfrog this whole step and turbocharge our growth. And that goes back to our background, so my own background in private equity and the corporate finance role. That was to raise an acquisition fund to make acquisitions of smaller payroll companies. So in 2022, we raised a vehicle that then morphed into Payroll Growth Partners, which is a subsidiary of Zebec. But this was a purpose-built SPV that would acquire a number of payroll companies across the US under the Zebec umbrella. So during the depths of the bear market, we used this capital that we've raised to acquire 3 payroll companies in the US. And at that point, we could have a captive audience where we could actually slowly introduce stablecoin payroll options alongside traditional payroll.
Zbcn just tapped into this buy zone I've been eyeing for a couple of hours now after getting a rejection to the downside as a result of the entire cryptocurrency market priced in, because we rallied ahead of the FOMC. I think in the last video, I specifically drew you guys' attention to the consolidation that Zbcn was in. I think Zbcn was in a consolidation phase, and I specifically told you guys a breakout of this consolidation phase, either to the upside or to the downside, is going to mark a huge shift, a drastic shift on the price of Zbcn. So we broke out to the upside massively, retest. We are currently retesting the consolidation phase as support. So ideally, we should get a bounce from here to the upside. So you all should wait and pay attention to the chart. You all should get ready for this move. This move is about to happen. That is, if there is no negative news in the entire cryptocurrency market that is going to send the market lower, then we should expect Zbcn to get a bounce from this territory. If you're here to like this Zbcn video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family if you haven't already. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. So I won't be surprised if we start getting a rally from here onward to the upside for Zbcn. 4 acquisitions all running on Zebec rails. This is massive if you ask me, like seriously. I just hope very soon the price action of Zebec token should begin to reflect the bullish news we are getting steady on this project. But I just believe one thing is certain: the moment we enter Q1 2026, when the market is going to begin to explode, Zebec is going to do wonders. That is when we can begin to expect billions of dollars of market cap for Zbcn coin. Now, 4 acquisitions all running on Zebec rails. Paybridge XPS Gate Nuts and Science Card strengthens Zebec's vision of an all-in-one payments ecosystem, combining Web3 settlement rails with proven TradeFi infrastructure. They are not just building, they are building a unified ecosystem around real-time finance by bringing the best of TradeFi onto their architecture. From payrolls to compliance to global education, it's happening on Zebec network, only on Zebec network, like seriously. If you guys paid attention to my previous BTC price update video, which I posted on the channel a few days ago, I specifically gave you guys the heads up of the $87,000 zone, and I told you guys the moment BTC is coming there, I'm expecting a bounce to the upside, a retrace, and then a continuation of the trend all the way to the 95K territory. Now, if you're paying attention, BTC is currently trading around $92,000 price. That was exactly what happened. We came to this 87K territory, got a clean bounce from there, and then rallied all the way to $94,588 for the BTC USD pair. The price might be different on other exchanges. CG Binance now thinks cryptocurrency market, the crypto space is now in a super cycle. I think the market movers, the whales, won't just wake up and throw the word or use the word super cycled loosely.
Don't quote me on this, but I think that force will be quite strong. So that force may be strong enough to offset the 4-year cycle. Who knows? Yeah.
So you're saying next year bull market?
We may be seeing a super cycle. Wow. So we'll see. Yeah. I'm not sure. Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Now, Cathy Woods now thinks BTC classic boom and crash pattern is fading, and that BTC may have already hit its bottom few weeks ago. Now, she's basically saying the 4-year cycle for BTC has broken, which is what we've talked about countless times on my channel. So I told you guys I'm expecting a fresh bull run come Q1 2026. And as a matter of fact, I think we are likely to get a short bear market starting from Q2 2026 before a massive bull run in 2027. Is this a sign that retail are about to begin to massively flood the crypto market? Because Bitwise CEO just said major banks with trillions of dollars of assets under management have recently allowed their clients to buy BTC, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrency ETFs, which is massive if you ask me. I think the stars are already aligning for a confirmation of cryptocurrency BTC super cycle, which, if you are going back to the chart, the BTC dominance is here to give us that aggressive dump we've always desired. The last time the aggressive dump happened in 2017, the altcoin market exploded. BTC price exploded as well, but altcoins were outperforming BTC at a greater pace then. Same thing happened in 2021. So we are expecting that aggressive crash now. I think we might get this aggressive crash in 2026, which I'm expecting my exit windows for 2026 to be Q1 and Q2 to be precise. So Q1 and Q2 are the period I'm looking to massively exit my altcoin positions. If you're here to smash the like button of this video, don't forget to smash the like button, destroy the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My name is Isaac, you're welcome. The cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is currently seated at 26, indicating fear we've recovered. Today is December 10th, 2025. We've recovered from the yesterday extreme fear of 22, which we were. And if you're paying attention, the market is also gradually recovering. The top 100 cryptocurrencies are seeing slight gain. BTC is up 2% in the last 24 hours, ADA 7%, TIA 4%, XPX 2%. A lot of projects are up, like AVAX 5.1%, Night 92%. I don't know why Night is pumping, but I think it's going to get a correction soon. Let's not forget the orders chart against the BTC pair. Now, this is the orders against the BTC pair on the monthly time frame. And if you're paying attention, we are still holding strongly above this multi-year and multi-cycle support territory for altcoins. The last time we found support here was when quantitative tightening came to an end, August 1st, 2019. And after that, altcoin market rallied aggressively to the upside. Quantitative tightening also came to an end few days ago, which was December 1st, 2025. So I'm expecting the market, like I said in the previous videos, I think the market is going to bottom this Q4 2025. And Q1 is likely to be a fresh bull run. Considering the orders chart is now on support level, quantitative tightening has come to an end, so all indications are now pointing towards a rally to the upside. Fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. As always, my name is Isaac. Peace out.